Hello, this is Sudheer, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today, I am going to explain about the different types of the losses that we can see in our day-to-day system. So basically, the type of losses are categorized under two heads. One is major loss, another one is the minor loss. So basically, the major loss is due to the friction, and the minor losses are due to various parameters. Now, in this video, I am going to show you physically what are the possible types of the losses that occur due to some minor losses. So, if you are going to see here, we can see some different types of pipes are there. So, through this pipe system, we can understand it is connected to a common pipe and it has been diverted. So, this type of pipe connection is called as a pipes in parallel. So, if you are going to see, all these three pipes are parallel to one another, but they are not going to intersect till the end of intersection, till the end. Again, they are going to meet in another pipe. So, this type of connection is called as a pipes in parallel connection. Then, if you consider a single pipe, it is consisting of different diameters of the pipe. Here you can see one diameter, here you can see another diameter, and at the end you can see one more diameter. Either it may be equal or may not be equal, that doesn't matter. But if you are going to join two pipes either of equal diameter or unequal diameter, then it is called as a pipes in series connection. So here basically, apart from that, what are the types of losses as we have discussed just now? Minor losses and as well as the major losses. So in all these three types of the pipe, the major losses exist. That is the friction factor. That is due to the friction, the losses exist. Not only here, whenever the two bodies are coming in contact with each other, obviously there will be some friction. So if the friction is small, then we may not have such huge quantity of the loss, and if the friction is high, then it may have some bad impacts on due to its collision. Now coming to the minor losses, if you are going to consider, here we can see some number of fittings are there. Either it may be a valve for operating the flow, here also one valve, here is a one valve, and here this is what it may be taken as an orifice. So these are all the external fittings of the pipe. So due to this one type of losses, that is due to external fittings. So what happens? So what occurs the top type of losses? So if they are improperly maintained, for example, if the threading is going to fail here, obviously there will be some leakage of water. So that is considered as a minor loss. So why we are going to consider minor loss? When compared to the friction factor, I mean that when compared to the frictional loss, the amount of water that is leaked through these pipes will be negotiable or will be neglected, and hence they are called as minor losses. Apart from that, if you are going to see here, the pipe is having some curvature. Here a curvature, some L-shaped joint has been fitted here to connect two different types of the pipes. So here you may have some losses. And at the same time, if you are going to see here it is having one diameter and here it is having another diameter. So due to that sudden change in the cross section of the diameter of the pipe, so here you may have another losses that is due to gradual decrease or gradual increase in the cross section of the pipe. And obviously we will not see here any sudden change of diameters again. So sometimes we may have sudden change of diameters, means the diameter of the pipe either suddenly increases or suddenly reduces. So due to that there will be some different types of the losses. And here one more fitting you can see here. This is also one more external fitting. Here again these pipe these are all called as tappings, and again indirectly again these are connected to YouTube manometer. So all these are all the external fittings which we may consider. So here these are all the different types of the losses which we can see from our day-to-day life. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.